Hello, once again, my tech learners. Welcome to the fourth episode of Tech Learning Lightspeed. And today we're going to go over something very easy for some, something very new to others. And we're going to go over compressing folders. So when you compress folders, these folders would turn into single files, a singular file, in which you are able to email these files instead of emailing individual files. It's great for organizing files and folders, and especially giving it names, and so you won't have to deal with so many individual files, especially if you have a lot of them. So let's go ahead and create a new folder, and then we're going to compress the folder. And before we compress that folder, we're going to insert these objects, and then we compress it. So let's go ahead and start off in the Windows environment. We're going to do both Windows and Mac environments. So first in the Windows environment, in the desktop, and you can do this in any area within Windows. When you're looking in a folder, you can create a folder within that. So for this example, we're going to be on the desktop. So let's create a folder. The first thing you want to do is right click in the space within desktop. And now we're going to scroll all the way down and go to new, and then we're going to move over to folder and click on folder. And now we have our new folder on the desktop. And let's give it an example. Let's call it Win Example. Alright, press enter. And now we created our folder. So I have these example objects, these example images that were used in the previous episode within Photoshop. So let's bring these guys into this folder. So we're going to highlight every single one of them, and we're going to drag them to this folder. And now, since we drag these great images into this folder, we're going to compress it now. So let's right click, and then we're going to go to send to and compress folder, and we click that, and now we have our very own zipped compressed folder or file. So you can send this folder or file, you can email it to other people without bringing in and sending in individual folders or files, because you cannot send a folder as an email. You have to have, it has to be a single file. So let's go switch over to the Mac environment. So it's basically similar, a little different. So in this desktop, again, we're going to click on we're going to right click onto the desktop, and we're going to click on new folder. And now we have our new folder here. So let's go ahead and change the name of it. And we're going to call it Mac Example. Alright, we finished that. And now we have these same images again. So let's highlight these images and drag them to that folder. And now let's compress this folder, just like we did with the Windows environment. We right click on that folder, and we're going to go all the way down and click on compress Mac example, or compress the folder. And we click on that. There it is, our very own zip folder within the Mac environment. So thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the next episode of Tech Learning Lightspeed. Until then, see you later, my tech learners.